Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify to Printful at 2026. So before you integrate, you will need to sign up for Shopify if you haven't already, and sign up for Printful. That's free to create if you don't have an account. Okay, so to create an account, you will need just to click on get started from here or sign up, the button that's located on the top right corner, and then you will have the option to create your account with different methods like Google, Apple, or just sign up with your email, the actual and the normal way to sign up. Okay, and if you have already an account, you can just go and click on login from here or sign in. Okay, and yeah, after that, or after creating an account, you will need to install the Printful app in Shopify, and to do that you will need to get back to your Shopify admin and then just go with the settings option from here, then click on the apps option and then click on Shopify apps, or the option or the button that's located on the top right of the website. After that, I do really want you to click on the search bar and type right there Printful print on demand. Okay, so that's the option. This is the app. Just go ahead and hit install. Right now you will be forwarded into the confirmation page, so we all need to click on install again. And there you go. So that's way we integrated our Printful to our Shopify. So as you can see, it says right here, hey, do you have a Printful account? If yes, go and click on yes, sign in. If not, go and click on no, create an account, and you will be forwarded into the Printful website, and right there you can enter the credentials. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next video.